Operation Peace Spring clears 1,000 square kilometers of terrorists so far. Turkey can't remain silent to threats Qatar. Hamas, Turkey has rights to remove threats along borders. Trump green light soon on potential Turkey sanctions. Coalition forces announce withdrawal from Manbij, Syria. Turkish Red Crescent provides aid to Tel Abyad, Syria. Turkey breaks back of Daesh global money transfer system. Iraq seek arrest of 2 policemen over protesters' death. Bomb explosion kills 4 Hashd al-Shaabi fighters in Iraq. Pakistan premiers Iran-Saudi mediation mission and appeal task. Pakistan PM dues in Riyadh to defuse Saudi-Iran tension. Torture and detention center of children adds rage in Kashmir.